This video shows you how to complete step 5 of paper 3, May and June 2016 for IGCSE Cambridge examination. And the question paper wants you to do two things. Open this file, 1631 Menta HTML. This is the web page that you are producing. And then you should also attach the style sheet, which you have also done in steps 1 to steps 4. So now you have to combine these two together. And technically, this is the skill focus for this exercise is to learn or show you are able to link a .css file to an HTML file. And the practical steps is quite easy. You can use front page, you can use Composer, you can use Dreamweaver. Now this video shows you how to use a Dreamweaver to do it, the front page. So the first step is to launch front page, and then you open and find the file, the HTML file, and then you format. Then you click Style Sheet Links, and the last step is to add the address of the .css file. And once that's done, you will see the effect. So you can pause the video now and see if you can do it, and just by following these steps. Now I can demonstrate how to do this. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your exam folder, and in exam folder, you go and open your file, this package, Office front page. So now this application is opened. You got the tool in your hand now. So now you go and look for this document, the HTML document. So you go to File, go to Open, and open. You know your exam folder is on the desktop, so it's in here, exam folder. On the exam folder, you go to the one you're working, okay? And you look for this file here, Menta HTML, and it's here. Now this is the original, and this is one tip you need to learn. When you are in exam, it makes a lot of sense to save your work progressively. For example, this is the original file that given by the examination board. And when I'm completing steps 1, steps 2, and steps 3, I save one version of it. And then when I'm working on step 4, I save another version on it. So if I make a mistake in step 4, then I can always come back to this one, so that I do not have to repeat all 4 steps. This is called version saving. So you should try to use that in exam time when you're pushing for time, so you do not have time to make mistakes or repeat the task just because you make one mistake. Okay, so now in this case, I use my latest version. So this is opened. And when you look at this is the design view, and you notice that the color is black. The word do not have colors. Okay. Now you have to insert the style sheet. Once you insert the style sheet, you will find the color change. And this is what the style sheet is for. When you use HTML to do a web page, you got this part with no colors. This color is the original color of the pictures. It's not the web page picture. You need to set the color of the text. So what do? You can do that page by page on your website, or you can use .css file. You have done one when you are doing steps 1 to steps 4. So now we connected. So this is a step you have to follow. Go to Format. In Format, you go to Style Sheet Links. Okay. And then in style sheet links, you choose one. I do not know whether this is the correct one, so I have to go and make sure I go and get the .ss file I have done. So you go to desktop and go to the exam folder, come back here, then you use this one, okay? And then say this is the .css file. You look at here, .css file, and here. Then you say okay. Then you say okay. Now he choose one here. Now did you see the difference? If you rewind the video, you will see that all these words are black, and this is black. It doesn't have color, and it doesn't have the right font size. But just because I have put the link there, I link this one, .css file, and all the color has changed. So .css file is a file format that allows you to uniformly or consistently change the styles of font and colors of the entire web page. It's a very efficient time of work. And also you look at here on your front page package. What you're looking at is design view, where you see the whole web page. When you look at a split view, you can tell. You look at here. Just because you have done all these steps here, your link is done automatically for you with no errors. Okay? So this is done. And also when you look at here, preview means if you click this one, this is what your internet visitors, your website visitors will see. So this is the web page. Okay? So this is done for step 5. Thank you. And try it again, follow this step. You can just do the same. Thank you.